Blogging secrets: how to attract clients and grow your business. Have you ever thought about how blogging can help you grow your business? Whether you run a small shop, provide a service, or sell products online, blogging is one of the best tools to connect with people and attract clients. It's simple, effective, and even fun once you get the hang of it. Let's explore why blogging works so well and how you can use it to bring in more clients. Why blogging works. Blogging is like having a friendly conversation with your customers. It's a chance to show off your knowledge, share your story, and explain how your products or services can make their lives better. When done right, blogging can build trust. People like to buy from businesses they trust. A blog shows you're an expert in your field and that you care about helping others. For example, if you're a financial advisor, writing about 5 easy ways to save money every month shows your expertise while helping potential clients. Attract attention. Search engines like Google love blogs. When you write about topics your clients care about, your website is more likely to show up when they search online. For instance, a bakery owner could write about how to make the perfect birthday cake to attract readers who may later order a cake. Show your personality. A blog lets you show the human side of your business. When clients feel a connection with you, they're more likely to choose your services or products. Imagine a yoga instructor sharing their personal journey into yoga. It's a great way to connect with like-minded clients. How to start blogging. Starting a blog may sound tricky, but it's easier than you think. Follow these steps to get started. Pick topics your clients care about. Think about your ideal clients. What questions do they have? What problems can you help them solve? Write blog posts that answer these questions. For example, if you're a hairstylist, you could write about 5 tips for healthy hair at home. If you run a home cleaning service, a topic like top 3 cleaning hacks for busy parents could be perfect. Keep it simple. You don't need to write long essays. A short, helpful post around 500 words is enough. Use simple words and get straight to the point. For instance, a landscaping company might write a blog titled, "Quick Tips for a Lush Lawn in Spring." Post regularly. Consistency is key. Aim to post at least once a month. Over time, your blog will become a helpful resource that clients can rely on. If you can post weekly, even better. Think of it as a library you're building for your clients to visit whenever they need help or inspiration. Share your blog. Once your blog post is ready, share it. Post the link on your social media, email it to your clients, or add it to your newsletter. The more people see it, the better. If you own a photography business, sharing a blog like how to pose naturally for family photos can reach potential clients on platforms like Facebook or Instagram. What to write about? Need ideas for your blog? Here are a few examples to inspire you. Helpful tips. Share practical advice like how to care for leather shoes if you're a shoe repair expert. Client stories. Tell a success story about how you helped a client. For instance, a personal trainer might blog about how I helped Sarah lose 20 pounds in 3 months. Product guides. Explain how your products or services work. A coffee shop could write a beginner's guide to brewing the perfect cup at home. Behind the scenes. Share behind the scenes stories about your business. A florist might blog about what happens in the shop before Valentine's Day. FAQs. Answer common questions clients ask you. For example, how long should a custom suit take for a tailor? Final thoughts. Blogging is more than just writing. It's about building relationships with your clients. Start small, stay consistent, and focus on being helpful.